So what's the series split?
Like
the
total?
lifetime.
Lifetime? Oh, I'm definitely up on you. I think you've maybe beaten me once.
No.
Yes!
No, there was a run. I had you like 3 times in a row.
No,
and
no,
you were going through rough plays, so we didn't keep score, but I didn't want to bring it up till now.
We're back for another episode of the Boro Boys.
Ultimate's not happening on the field, but
New Jersey's by Savage. We're ready to go. I say, loser has to buy ice cream. Deal? Deal.
Locale.
Obviously, I haven't had ice cream in so long. I'll do a cheat day for you.
It's all about the birdies. It's the approach.
Oh God, you gotta lay it up. Lay it on up on this beautiful Monday evening. Oh no! Jesus! Are you kidding me?
Or
Going left. Cradled off your disc.
I do need a medium. I do need a mini.
Dude.
Failed.
That's going quite hard. Going 200 easy, 200 yards. No. Okay. We'll hit him. Going for glory here on a par. Chain! Chain game!
The ultimate disc don't like these baskets.
Oh God, it's not good. I missed. Ah!
2 chains!
This is horse. You know, when the camera's on, you perform differently.
Even +1 a pair.
That is the right throw.
Send it in, Jerome.
Oh God. Come on, that didn't go left at all.
All right.
Come on! Alright, let me be bird. Let me be bird.
That was where the 3rd placement was.
Yeah, originally, yeah.
You're playing for C.
Yeah.
You're not playing at A.
Yeah, well, times are different now. All right, +1. +1, +1. Get in the road. Oh my goodness. That's a birdieable. That's a birdieable offense.
Ace.
Take the lead here. Runs it. Dropping. Huge dropping. Cut that out. Oh no! Oh my God!
You hate to see it.
You gotta throw a slight backhand, down under the roller, down the gully for a straight birdie shot. Done it multiple times.
Read intel. It's unbirdieable. You can't birdie this hole.
Says you can't do it, I'll do it. I'll do it. Don't cut the tree. Oh, baby. I was gonna do it, and I did it.
Yeah, you did.
Skewed in the quad. The lefty, the flick. 8:39 sunset. Oh!
Doesn't matter. First shot goes to waste. The next one.
Thought I was gonna birdie it. Try. We're here. We're here, ready. No. Yes. No. Boom.
It's unnecessary. Because the flag still
right
stands for freedom. But you can't take that away.
No! Oh my goodness.
Proud to be an American.
Oh my goodness. They just like whip it by you. Alright, they're probably done. Oh, it's not far enough. Use these legs. Steve, what are the odds you throw an inverted throw here?
1 out 2.
Alright, this is very important. 3, 2, 1, 2!
Alright. You show me the lie first. You give me the...
3. Oh my god, it worked!
Ooh, you went super skinny there.
Followed you up. I followed you up.
I would not have gone right at the big tree.
That's what you do. Go for big things. Well, that was good. Mine like grazed. Oh my goodness. Nope. Oh no! I was gonna run! Just gonna even it up right here. I need to make a
Alright, Sheppy.
I ran it.
Oh, you're a little overzealous with that last shot.
Made it. Oh! It feels good, it looks good. Nope. That one did not.
Rolling,
No!
rolling, rolling.
Are you kidding me?
Rolling, rolling, rolling.
3. Yes! Boom! Steve's heart right now?
It's tacoed. I need a microwave. I need to fill it up to the rim. Disc is ruined forever. Broke it. It broke the frisbee. No.
Huge, huge! No! +3 to +1.
Down the line if it stays fair.
No.
Teddy Williams hits it out of the park.
Oh, got to a lefty.
On the road.
Oh no! So the way that me and Steven have played, kind of a Boro rule, is if it lands in the concrete, or any near concrete, gravelish, and the disc is 50% more on the concrete, and in my case, clearly 100% on,
The floor's lava.
you have to throw lefty. If you throw it righty, then you get the extra stroke.
The
So
lava.
this would be a par shot if I shot righty, birdie shot if I shoot left. I will be shooting left. This is 0 to +3. What a kick.
This is it.
Big flick.
It starts to march back.
Plus the down 3 strokes. Great drive. Oh my god. Ah! Soft. No! Oh my goodness. Back to +1 where I just goofed up. +1 to +3.
It's the climb.
Ah!
Woo. We're in the fairway. We have an approach.
No! Yes. Here, just to make you angry. Ah!
We didn't pay them.
Heads up. We did. Oh my goodness! It's almost yeah! Here we go. Hole 13, +1 to +3. 3 down. One step through. Oh, we did not.
It's literally Winnie Pooh in the 1,000-acre forest. Like, you can't get around it. That's the one way.
No. Yes, sir!
Send it.
Alright. +2 to +1.
I need 2 strokes.
Nice. That's a great shot. Get rid of savage.com. These sexy jersey here. The birdie. Whew. Within 2! Oh!
Why won't you go in? Why won't you go in?
I can still miss this.
Yeah.
No!
Oh! Way to give me a gimme.
Oh!
Make me feel better about myself.
+3 to +2.
Hung it.
Should be an easy one. +3 to +2.
4th and 1.
16.
Striking distance. This one's off to the left, right?
No, off to the right. Yeah, it's off to the left.
A little kiss.
1 stroke.
Kiss it.
Besides the leader.
We're gonna kiss it.
Shank it. That's good for Shep. That's a great throw for Shep. Oh! Bird.
It's a good birdie, Shep.
+1 to +3. Use that. That was a huge opportunity.
What ice cream flavor are you gonna ask for?
Flipping cookies and cream. And I'm gonna devour it as he misses his shot. Oh! He's gonna bogey this hole. Look and walk away. Demoralized. Yeah, I gotta drop in. This could be a big bogue. No good! Huge +4! Oh, loser!
Child.
You didn't say what size of ice cream you had to get him, right?
Yeah, I'll get him 1 spoonful.
Get him one of those free samples.
1 free sample. Final hole, Shep. Bring us home.
What do you think people want to see?
They
don't
want to see
see a
you. They
foreign
want to see you
backhand?
put it in the basket.
They want to see a hammer, don't
It's a
they?
full field pull. Just put it in the basket. Wait! Oh, pretty decent shot.
That's really straight.
That was pretty good. All right, Daddy's gonna put this in. That's the only way Steven's gonna come back.
Well, that's variable. Better than mine. Skibbity scoob. Because it doesn't even matter. It's over. It's already over before it started. Oh no! Oh no!
The damage is done.
Oh no! We're the winner. Don't shake hands in this era,
Good
remember?
call. It's a good call.
Don't shake hands.
Unless you've been living with someone for.
I haven't been living with you. Well, I won again.
It was a great round. You increase your overall win percentage marginally.
From 90% to 95? Yeah, that sounds about right.
We all like to forget our, downfalls. I lost today. I'm not gonna beat around the bush, but there'll be another one.
We'll play. Many more will be played on this faithful course.
In the meantime, until we get back on the field.
Let's go, Boro. Let's go, Birds.
Go Birds.
I'm gonna order mountains of cookies and cream and wolf it down my stomach.
We're going to Aldi's, and you're gonna get the dollar pints.
Sick. Can't wait.
You have to specify the location.
Oh.
I'll take you out to Scoops and Bloomfield. They have to-go orders right now. We'll treat you.
Oh, really?
You deserve it.
They have takeout? Okay, thank God. Woo!
Oh, she stopped.
Get in the car. We're going home.
This is why we can't go nice places, huh, Steve?
That's why we just stay in the house forever.